Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to message someone on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Tinder app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the bottom of your display. You'll notice several icons there, and one of them is labeled Chat. Go ahead and tap on it. This chat icon is your gateway to all your conversations and connections on the platform, so it's an essential feature to familiarize yourself with. After tapping on chat, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see all your matches. This is where Tinder displays everyone you've matched with, making it easy to browse through your connections and decide who you'd like to start a conversation with. Each match represents someone who also swiped right on your profile, so you already have that mutual interest established, which is a great starting point for a conversation. Now simply scroll through your matches and tap on anyone you'd like to message. When you select someone, their profile will open up and you'll be taken directly into the messaging interface with that person. This is where all your conversations with this specific match will take place, allowing you to get to know them better through text exchanges. Once you're in the conversation screen, look towards the bottom of your display. You'll see a text field there, which is where you'll compose your message. This field is designed for you to type out whatever you want to say, whether it's a simple greeting, a question about their profile, or a fun icebreaker to get the conversation started. The key here is to be genuine and engaging. Go ahead and click on the text field to activate it. Your keyboard will appear and you can now input your message. Take a moment to think about what you want to say. A personalized message that references something from their profile tends to work better than a generic hello, as it shows you've actually taken the time to look at who they are and what they're interested in. After you've typed out your message and you're happy with what you've written, locate the send button. This is typically positioned right next to or below the text field. Click on send to deliver your message. Once you hit that button, your message will be instantly sent to your match and they'll be able to read it and respond whenever they're active on the app. And that's it, you've now sent your first message on Tinder and taken that important step from matching to actually connecting with someone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.